Hey, Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man. So I went to Walmart today. I didn't even feel like the urge for food. Like I tried so hard to figure out something that I wanted to eat. And baby, that's a sign. I need a break from food. So I did just grab some things. I still have some greens left, some collard greens. Y'all know what it is. So I did get some neck bones for the greens. But we're going to be leaving this kind of meat, like pork and neck bones. We leaving that in 2023 in the name of Jesus. But I did get those neck bones because I have some more collard greens. I got coconut oil. I've been using a lot of coconut oil. So I use the coconut oil for my mouthwash to do my oil pull. Also, I've been using a lot of baking soda. So I'll use these two together. I'll mix them when the coconut unthaw. And I might add some cinnamon in there. And that's what I've been using for a toothpaste. That's right. For a toothpaste for like the last 3 weeks. I have not been using like Procter & Gamble or nobody's toothpaste. I've been using coconut, pure baking soda, and cinnamon. And the benefits of all three of those are amazing. Just a general overview. All of them make your teeth white, have the good bacteria in your mouth, reduces plaque, removes plaque. So this is what I have been using. We'll get into that in another video, but just to overgeneralize it, I've been using just baking soda, coconut oil, and cinnamon for my toothpaste. Also, I've been using baking soda to wash my clothing as well. I stopped doing like the washing powder. I just been using pure baking soda to wash my clothes and distilled vinegar. So that's the coconuts. And y'all remember when we did our be sure to check out that video where we did about like our DIY cabinet, but it's still holding up pretty good. I'm super excited. I still love it. I got an onion. I did get 2 plantain for some turkey burgers. These be busting. If you haven't tried these, I'm gonna need you to try these. I'm gonna have to leave these in 2023 as well because they're addictive. Yeah. And like I said, I didn't really know what I wanted. So I was just like, oh, let me try this. Let me try that. So I wanted to try this. And then I like these. I wanted to enjoy this for the last time as well in the name of Jesus because the chicken, we got to leave chicken in 2023. I'm over chicken. Chicken keeps up a lot of mucus and I'm just not here for it. So I got some potatoes. Pasta gonna have to stay in 2023. Now I did get this pasta. They have pastas that's like vegetable or like chickpea, but this is a regular pasta. I can't do it anymore, but I did get this pasta because I wanted to make a pesto. Y'all know what it is. That pesto is so good. So I have some spinach. I'll do the pesto, the veggies, and then I also have some shrimp. So that'll be a meal. I got this butter this time because I'm doing kind of like a little seafood boil. Not really, but I wanted this good, fat, greasy butter. Usually I'll do the Irish butter, but I got this butter today. Got some taco shells. I also have a few tomatoes. I got a lime. The lime just been random. I've been squeezing the lime on everything, which is really delicious. I got 1 avocado. I can't stop saying it like that since I said in that last video. Definitely got the Brussels sprouts, honey, because the Brussels sprouts are very, very good when they're fried. I got these chips for some nachos, but then I forgot I had the taco shells. Still might do nachos, or those just might turn into a snack. And I got some thyme. I really like the thyme when I just cooked with it last time. So this is going to be a new herb that I incorporate. And I got a turkey meat. Don't forget when you're in the grocery store, see if they had them bags. This prevents cross-contamination. So I got a lean turkey meat. And I also got 2 bags of colossal shrimp. The thing about the regular shrimp lately has been giving me like a mushy feel even when it's done. So this shrimp gotta stay in 2023 as well. That's just on period. It's a lot that's about to stay here, I'm telling you. But so I was like, oh, let me get some shrimp real quick. Now the whole thing is my niece wanna have a seafood boil, and I'm like, okay. So we wasn't able to have a seafood boil with her this week. I'm really trying to let it go this week, like the seafood in general. When I do it with her, I don't even want to eat, but I probably will. But we'll see that coming up sometime next year, y'all. So stay tuned. Me and my niece is going to have a seafood boil, but for now I did give me some shrimp to enjoy that. So I'm about to get ready to just make like a little small seafood boil with the potatoes. I use a bag of shrimp. I'm definitely going to put some Brussels sprouts in there. I'm going to do some onion, a fresh squeeze of lime, and I think that will be all for tonight's dinner. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all the post notifications so you are notified every time we drop something in the community section. We have a short section. We upload videos. And baby, we just be talking all day on the internet. So again, thank you for stopping by a grocery haul. Happy early New Year. Woo! God bless you. Alexis loves you. Mwah.